Good evening everyone. Today we are going to study about propagation of plant by leaf. That means we are going to talk about vegetative propagation through leaf. Like I'm going to show you this. The plant you are seeing on the screen is a variety of succulent. Okay, this is a variety of succulent. I got this plant from Jammu, Mansar Lake, and when I got this plant it was just this much. A small branch was there and I propagated the complete plant, and I can show you the results. Once it has flowered also, and then I planted a leaf, and how the leaf changes into the plant. I have set a leaf for that, but before that let me show you something. See, there are some aerial roots. You can see there are some root hairs also. Okay, then one more thing is to be noticed, that the leaf is very thick and the sides are wavy. Actually these sides only, if you can see, these sides, these wavy sides, they contain adventitious buds. Now let me show you. Here is the plant I have propagated, and here is what is going to turn into a plant. See, it is much more clear. This was the leaf that I left on the soil, and if you notice from the sides margins, you can see the plants, or you can say small plantlets are arising. If I turn the leaf, then you can see, if I focus it on, see, you can see small roots also. If I take out this, see, these are from the sides, and hopefully this is going to complete its growth within 1 week, so that I can take them out and plant them separately. So this is an example of vegetative propagation, and you can see, since it is a succulent, so I'm not going to add too much water to it. The soil is still a bit wet, since I add a very little amount. In fact, I spray water over here. And this is the mother plant which I got from Jammu. So please, this is the best example which I could have shown you for the mode of vegetative propagation by leaves. Once again, you can have a close watch on it. Thank you everyone, and hope you understood the concept.